Hi, I'm Christina and welcome to Yoga with Christina, ChriskaYoga. Today's video will be a yoga class in the series of yoga videos for phases of the moon. Each phase of the moon has a separate yoga sequence and they will all be included in a playlist. Today's video will be about Waning Crescent moon and it's all about surrender. So during this time we can focus on surrendering your intentions in order to see them come into your life. So I hope you enjoy it. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming yoga classes. So if you're ready, grab your yoga mat and let's get started.
Begin by lying on the ground in Shavasana, flat on your back. Separate your legs apart, relax your limbs. Place your hands down by your sides and turn your palms up towards the ceiling. Close your eyes, deepen your breath. Slowly open your eyes and move your hands and your feet, your arms and your legs. And when you're ready, bend your right leg and take hold of your right shin in your left hand. Bend your left leg and take hold of your left ankle in your right hand. Place the outer thigh of the left leg on the ground. Flex the right foot and remain holding the right shin with your left hand. Feeling a stretch in the quad and the hip on the left side. Prioritize keeping your low back on the floor. Switch sides. Take hold of your left shin in your right hand, your right ankle or foot in your left hand, placing the outer edge of the right leg on the ground. Keep holding on to that left shin with your right hand and flex the left foot. Hold here as you feel a stretch in the quad on the right side. Release your hands from your legs and make your way up to a hands and knees position and come into child's pose. Touch your big toes together behind you. Sit your hips onto your heels. Reach your arms out in front of you and bring your forehead to the ground. Hold here and breathe. Come back up. Step your right leg forward into low lunge on the right side, keeping your left knee on the ground, framing your right foot with your hands on the floor, looking down. Walk your right foot out, bringing your hands to the big toe side of your foot on the floor. You can come down onto your forearms for a deeper hip stretch in lizard pose if you'd like, clasping your hands together, or you can stay up on your hands and hold here. Come back up onto your hands if you weren't there already. Take your right foot and cross it over your body towards the left hand, dropping onto the outer thigh and shin of your right leg, coming into pigeon pose. Your shin does not have to be parallel to the front of your yoga mat. On an exhale, drop your torso down, coming to a forward fold. Stack your hands on top of one another and place your forehead on top of your top hand. Or you can reach your arms out in front of you. If you'd like some support underneath your hips, bring yourself up out of pigeon pose and we'll switch sides, taking that sequence on the left. Step the left foot forward into low lunge on the left side. Toes are facing forward. The back knee is down. Looking down and hold. Come into lizard pose. Bring your left hand on the big toe side of your foot. Walk your left foot out to the left, and you can, from here, stay up on your hands or drop down onto your forearms for a deeper hip stretch, and hold here. Slowly come up out of your lizard stretch and bring your left foot over towards the right hand. Drop the outer thigh down onto the floor, coming into pigeon pose on the left. The top of your right leg and foot are on the ground behind you. When you're ready, walk your torso over, come into a forward fold. Stack your hands and place your forehead on top of your hands, or reach your arms out in front of you, placing your head on the ground. Make your way up out of your pigeon pose slowly and gently, and come to a seated position for bound angle pose. Bring your feet to meet each other at the center line of your body and your knees out to the side. Take hold of your ankles or your feet. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward. For a deeper hip stretch here, you can place your elbows on your knees and gently press them down towards the floor. Slowly come up out of your forward fold. Stretch your legs out to the side and flex both of your feet. Point your knees and toes facing the ceiling, keeping the feet flexed. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold forward, reaching your arms out in front of you. Looking down, keep as much length in your spine as you can. And slowly come up out of your forward fold, come to lying on your back, and we'll take a supine bound angle pose. Bring your feet to meet each other at the center line of your body, knees out to the side. If you would like some support underneath your knees, if this is too intense of an inner thigh stretch for you, once again, feel free to pause the video and go take some yoga blocks or folded yoga blankets or some pillows, whatever you have on hand, and place them underneath both of your knees. Once you're settled, place your hands down by your sides, turn your palms up towards the ceiling, close your eyes, and deepen your breath. Breathing through the nose, focus all your attention on your inhales and your exhales, and remain here. Bring some slow and gentle motion back into your body, gently moving your limbs, and use your hands to help your legs come in towards each other. Roll to the right side of your body. Rest there with your arm under your head for support. Press yourself up using your hands to help you to a seated, cross-legged position. Cross your shins, flex your feet under your knees. Sit up tall and bring your hands to your legs. Take a deep breath in and out through your nose. And bring your hands to meet at the center of your chest. Bow your head to your fingertips. Namaste.
Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this class. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate the support. Don't forget to leave me a comment letting me know of any questions you might have, any future yoga class requests you have for me coming up on this channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming yoga videos. You can check me out on Facebook and Instagram at ChriskaYoga and my website ChriskaYoga.com. Thank you so much. See you next time.